Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
Stick a bunny in me pocket. I'll fetch the suitcase from the van. Cause if you are the best uns but you don't ask questions, then brother, I'm your man. Cause where it all comes from is a mystery. It's like the changing of the seasons and the tides of the sea. But here's the one what's driving me berserk. Why do only fools and horses work? La 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 la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la.
Hey guys, how's it going? So just decided to, this is milestone. Just thought to do this video, just get it that way. Just talk about the scooters and the lawnmower engine. It was alright doing the lawnmower and scooters, but I didn't know my camera didn't record. I set it up, and now I pressed the record button, but then somehow I looked on my phone, and it wasn't saved, and I thought, somehow I didn't record it. So now I have to through the video. I did partly some photos and short clips. I'll show you the clips after the video, guys, because photos and videos of the partly taking apart the scooters, because look enough, I just managed to get a little clip in of the batteries, motors, what are coming out the scooters, and the lawnmower bit. Yeah, so the batteries, the motor, and the lawnmower. It took about a minute for each, took about 30 seconds, so 2 minutes to do the all 4 scooters. The one scooter, it had one battery, you know, slightly bit bigger than all lot, but then the other 3 just, it had two batteries in. The motors had a bit of weight in it, the batteries did. So scooters, it took 4 screws on each scooter to take the plastic bit off, and but one screw didn't want to come off, so I still managed to take the motor out and the batteries out. So lucky enough I just managed to do them. Here's just one stand like that, just whilst I'm coming. I'd like to see my boys. Sorry for into the line out. So I'll talk to you about the batteries coming out of the scooters, and then the motors and the batteries, and then the bit of cable will come out for them. There wasn't much cable, It's like technically, as some people say, if there weren't much cable in them, there's no point taking them apart, taking them out. But it soon adds up. So, yeah. To take how I did it, where just you're only like screws. What you start technically where you stand on, and you only screw to doing a battery. Technically, you wouldn't know battery power, and you stand on scooter. The bit where you put your feet on, it only like 4 screws, like technically one on each corner. There was only the one where you tapped it there to get it going, to start it up, whatever. And then there were two on them where you do it front back. You just. Well, I think that's just like technically you stand on it, you keep your foot on it, whilst you with right hand, but technically right hand. It's only because my right hand's on camera. And yeah. And I thought, because you got your cable going from the throttle to the battery, to the motor, to the button where you put your foot on, back to the battery again or something. But it just comes to like a little connector thing in it and all. And yeah, I don't know where the scooters come from, but hopefully I can get a sort of clip of that in the video at the end for how it happens. And yeah. Yeah, and because my dad said it came from someone's house, is this, I went to buy it, my boy went to buy it and just rocked him off outside on my back gate. I wanted to know who rocked him off. I was a bit pissed off because I thought the camera were recording, but it wasn't. So I got one of those constantly keep looking at me, I don't know why. Well, probably give a good friendly cuddle before I go. What's up with you? And yeah, it didn't take me long to do each the scooters. My boy, I already knew was talked about it. My brother, whilst I was taking one scooter apart, he did take one of the motors apart just to see what was inside on it. Yeah. And I was talking about it, what was inside, like 40 bit alley at one end of the motor, then the steel or at the middle of it, then inside it was just copper and steel. And yeah, it's okay. And yeah, wasn't bad really. He's like, oh, this one in front of me, because then it's good, as I say, Lado. So yeah, it's just, yeah. And then the lawnmower, I took a few bolts off. I took most of the screws and bolts out of the lawnmower. Took most of the steel off it as I can. There was one bit where I tried to take the bolt off, but it won't come off. So I had to try and jam something inside on it and try and get my brother to get in with it, trying to get in and try and undo it, but it won't twist. But I think I'll do it all the way around, because now you do less you lose, righty-tighty. But on certain items you do it is there's some of it's all the way around. And yeah. So, but I took what I could take off it and then just chucked it into the alley. And did like that. The motors, what will come off the scooters, I'll do that on another video. It'll be probably the next one or something. It'll be after this video. Sorry, Leno. It's only because I'm waving my arm about it. Yeah. And yeah, so I do the motions on another video. Yeah, I'll say hello. Like, hello. So yeah. Hello guys. So yeah. I'm not moving the camera like this, so hello. So yeah. Because it wants to be in it, probably. And that's it. The lawnmower is just, Andrew and I are just gonna, you know, let it go to scrap. If I had to weigh it separate into, like, you know, class it as a motor, I'll put it in as a motor. Yeah. I'll just have to, you actually watch the videos after this, like if I did any updates on it. Yeah. And that. Excuse you. And that was it really. I'll just you just have to watch the videos after this if I on the update on the lawnmower engine. So I've got something on my bag. So yeah. So yeah, so I weren't happy about the camera didn't record me taking the scooter apart, trying to take the lawnmower apart, and yeah. So I put a short clip off the scooters, and then some other bits I've managed to get, like photos and short clips. And that's it, really. So yeah. Yeah, scooters, lawnmower and horses. Trying to get my attention there. Tried to nibble up with jacket, so it's alright, really. Aww. So, hey, you want a big cut off, mate. That's how offended these horses are. Like if I just lie down that, just up his head, nothing on his head. These like horses, I look after them every day. Sometimes minimum at one time a day or more. Yeah. So hopefully this video will explain what I've been doing. And yeah, people probably say, why not just set a few cameras up, and then if that camera fails, then you go on another video. So, yeah, that's what I might do. Like the camera I'm using now, set that up, and then get 2 other GoPros I got, and set them up and do it like that. I said, yeah, I can do. Right, in a bit then, lad. So yeah, that's what I might do. Love you both. See you later. So yeah. Right guys. I'll see you soon. And hopefully I can keep these daily videos going. I'll try to do what I like on the intros I've done. You see when I do Fridays at 8 PM I do live shows, and then Sunday on my other channel. But I haven't been mainly doing them because I've been busy doing other stuff. Trying to keep the videos updated, trying to get the videos made. But I do, you keep your eyes at, I probably might do, you know, off occasion I live stream first thing in the morning or any time when I can. So, but then sometimes I do one on a Friday, but not much people do come in. So I'm not saying I'm not making promises. I'm supposed to do, like I was going to do plans for doing live streams every morning when I wake up, one like, then another one before I go to bed, and then one on a Friday. I still do one, and then the one on Friday, that'll be a longer live stream. But then that turned out to not to do. I then do extra videos doing like two a day, like 2 live streams a day, and 2 videos a day. One gets uploaded at 12 o'clock in the morning, and one's just a random video. And then, but that didn't turn out to go as planned. So, right guys, thank you for watching. See you soon. And there's the moon. Clouds are down there. Goodbye for now. Peace. Sweet. And then these 4 scooters. Technically I could, you know, I could take them apart when I can get a chance. I'm thinking about I could technically take that apart a bit more and see what I can take off of that, you know. Try and do a bit of that. I'll probably fit the other motors and the compressors in it.
Two of the fuckers. So they what? That